Looking for the best wireless earbuds without breaking the bank? Today, we're covering top picks for every budget. First up, in the under $50 range, the Soundpeats True Air 2. They offer solid sound quality, Bluetooth 5.0, and up to 25 hours of total battery life. Perfect for everyday use without emptying your wallet. In the mid-range, around $100, we have the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro. These have ANC active noise cancellation, excellent sound clarity, and customizable EQ settings in the app. Great for music lovers who want more features at a fair price. If you're ready to splurge, check out the Sony WF-1000XM4 or Apple Airpods Pro. Both deliver top-notch sound, industry-leading noise cancellation, and seamless connectivity with extra features like voice assistant integration. Perfect for audiophiles and pros. From budget-friendly to premium, these earbuds offer amazing options for every price range. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose. For more details, please like and follow Akmobilepalace.